A always changes its sound when followed double L. When it will follow double N, so A will change its sound. That A will convert into aw, AW. When it follows double N, A convert into aw. And then we have to add l, all. What will it become? All sound. All sound. All sound. So the mouth shape will be slightly open and lips should be round. All. And your tongue should be relaxed. All sound. Then it will be like this. Aw. And then we will add l, all sound. Going to start all sound. B, all ball. K, all call. H, all hall. All mall. T, all tall. V, all wall. You can ask children to make new word like f, all fall. Here I am making with the diagram. Sm, all small, and st, all stall. So now we are going to start reading the sentences. Paul, all family. Ha, as, has. A, ba, all ball. As, t, all tall family come from the all. As, they, sight words were all wall. Call, d, add, dad, and go to the all mall.